Ready? 1, 2. Good job. Hi, I'm Dr. Ludeman from Bolingbrook Family Chiropractic, and today I'm going to adjust Princess Abigail. We're just doing a wellness check on her today. Let's see. Can you put your boot? There we go. Oh, good job. On left side today. Huh. Ready? 1, 2. Good job. Have you been pooping regularly? Has she pooped this week? Good. Ready? Breathe in here. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good job. And no sickness for her, upper respiratory stuff. Man, what's it like to be a kid and not be sick?
She had a cold like for a day, and then it was gone. Like I picked her up from preschool, and she had like redness all by her cheeks.
Uh-huh.
And I was like, oh, here we go. And then the next day it was gone.
Roll over. Can you roll over for me? I'm gonna check the top of your head, and then we're done. You are so brave today. Yeah, I mean, I can see. Here you go. Does that hurt? Is it tender? Is it sore? Good. What about here? Is it sore right here? Okay. What else is Princess Abigail doing today? You have no idea? Are you gonna watch Mommy get soft wave too?
She told me she had a headache, and she's like, oh, I have a headache. I'm gonna go see the doctor. Like me
Huh?
and you. But I don't know if she actually had a headache or if she was just lying to come. Association.
She might. She's a little tight on that right
Or
side.
she said she was dizzy. Did you have a headache or you said you were dizzy? I forget.
I'm dizzy.
Are you dizzy now? Yeah? Do you see sparklers in your eyes? Yeah? Is it dizzy when I push here? Do you want me to just use a clicker, or do you want me to make the popping noise?
Popping noise.
Okay. I'll do just a little bit right here, okay? Ready? Look all the way this way. Ready? 1, 2. Good job. Is that better? Yeah, I mean, from a muscle spasm point it is. I think it's really cool because, like, I feel like kids innately know when, like, something's wrong, and they're like, oh, like, this is kind of what makes me feel better. Does that hurt right there? Okay, I'm going to press. There's a little knot right there in your neck, so I'm just going to press and hold. Do you want to help me? Okay, so I'm going to put my finger here, and you put it there. Thanks for helping me. I really needed it. Is that better? Yeah, that muscle is really tight, so we have to push on it, and that makes it relax. That doesn't work with brothers, though, so if Dylan's really tight, don't push him. That's what Ellie does, and it doesn't work out well. Ellie said she misses you, by the way, last night. They were drawing stuff, and they said they were drawing things for their cousin Dylan and cousin Abigail. I know. All right, there you go, sweetie. Good job.